Almost seems like an African safari, doesn't it?
It does. Yes, well, absolutely.
Like it has that air about it, doesn't
Absolutely, because it's flat.
The dust and the sun. Wow, look! It looks like the Serengeti, doesn't it?
Yeah. And you've never been there.
No, but I see the pictures.
Saw the pictures.
Yeah, look at that. It's the end of day 4, and this is the scene that we see, and it reminds me of Africa. Small wonder, because we do have Africa in one of our playlists. Barbara climbed Mount Kilimanjaro and did a safari. Let's have a look at that. In our playlist, you'll find Tanzania, 2 ladies, 12 men, 7 days to climb to the top of Mount Kilimanjaro. That's what Barbara did, not me. You'll also find a 4-day safari where they visit the Serengeti and the Ngorongoro crater and all kinds of wonderful things. Again, I wasn't there. Kudos to Barbara for having pulled this off, and I must honestly say I could not have done it. So I didn't do it. That's the end of our tour. But let's backtrack. That was preceded by a wonderful sunset. To view the sunset, they actually have an earthen ramp to get you up higher to view the sunset. A lot of disappointed people up here, including myself. Well, let's look at the people. Oh, look off on the horizon. Magnificent pagoda with the silver top in the background. As I look at all these people who are here for a magnificent sunset, which is not going to happen tonight because of the clouds, but it could still catch in the bottom there. We'll see. Okay, so maybe it wasn't all lost, but magnificent, well, maybe not. Just shortly before the sunset, we saw this, and that really got us excited. You gotta admit, an ox-drawn cart on the Bagan Plain, that's a cat's ass. I saw some people climbing on down there on a stupa. Look, they're going right up. Look at those idiots.
Stupid.
Very dangerous.
Look at those idiots.
Sometimes they fell down.
Yeah.
They fall, yes.
So, well, not everybody follows the rules that you're not supposed to climb on the archaeological sites, and I guess some people will do anything for that YouTube moment. Need I say more?
Biggest one.
The biggest one, yes?
The biggest one, it is we call the Dhammayangyi.
Right. Oh, yes. Look at the size of a pyramid. Right?
Like a pyramid shape, eh?
Yeah. Dhammayangyi, the biggest temple in Bagan, built by King Narathu in the 12th century. He came to the throne by assassinating his father, and his elder brother felt guilty and built this wonderful temple. It may be the biggest one, but there's surprisingly little to see inside. As you'll see, Dhammayangyi was never really completed. The king died before it was done, and the interior is said to be full of debris, so can't see it. our entry into this glorious monument. Puppets. I guess there are puppets. Puppets. Look at this. Puppets. Okay, back to the... I think like the evening sun. Hold on. Oh, look at these guys here. Cool.
I don't think I'm going to go in this one.
Why is that? Why would you stop now? At this point, towards the end of the day, Barbara's struck by pagoda fatigue. I push on, but there wasn't really much to see, like I said. So I'm the only one in here. Good news. Good news. Buddha is always by himself, except here. 1, 2. Mystery abounds in the back corridors. Great views that way, that way. Look at the effect that the sun has. Oh, that is gorgeous. And out here in the middle of nowhere are our shoes, right there. Believe me, one of the biggest thrills in visiting a pagoda in Bagan is finding your shoes, because you're never really sure where you left them. That was certainly the case here at Manuha Phaya. The word Phaya you see often, and it refers to a Buddhist temple. It was built by King Manuha in 1059 AD. As always in the pagodas, no shoes, no spaghetti blouses, no short pants, and no socks. So I am in compliance. Yes. Everything is kind of quite enchanting, quite captivating for a Western dude like me, and a vlogger at that. Vlogging really enhances the experience of everything, because it makes you just a little more interested in things than you would normally be. Another great view of these majestic palm trees. Look at this. Right there. Got all these beautiful people around me with their faces covered in tanaka. I think it's tanaka. I have to ask Barb. Wow, look at this. Oh my God. Look at this. You're just seeing a finger of the Buddha. You're seeing the finger of the Buddha right there. Wow. Simply amazing. managed to fit that in here. Narrow side entrance leads to another Buddha. Yes, it is. It is a different one. It's not the one I did previously. Here you can read all about it. And yeah, so they managed to pack the giant one I just videoed, plus this one here. Wow. Too many people touching right there. And that's where you put the money. What happened? Barb? Shh, not so loud. One more time. Thank you. So this is the lacquer?
Yeah, lacquer workshop. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So that's why you can see, walk around.
All right.
You can take a picture, no problem.
Thank you so much. Lacquer art.
Wow.
Yes.
See how they roll it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, goodness.
To make it
Builds it
into a bowl, yeah.
Yeah. Builds it up.
Most amazing, imagine that. So it ends up looking like this. Really don't know too much about this. All I know is this lacquer. So I know of varnish and I know of lacquer. Again, my camera makes it look better than it really is.
So these are like
Spending all day long working at this. Look at he's doing that with bare hands.
yeah.
That could even be toxic stuff, right?
Probably is.
Unbelievable. Without gloves.
Yeah.
Oh, you hate to see that, eh?
I do.
It's a young guy.
Yeah.
These women who work endlessly to paint this stuff. Unbelievable. Look at this. Look at that. That is insane. Oh my goodness. This is fabulous.
The lighting in here is not very good.
The camera makes it look fantastic. Look.
The lighting in here,
Yeah.
for them to work,
For the workers,
is
yeah.
not very good.
No.
Yeah.
Imagine sitting here for 10 hours a day doing this meticulous work.
1 cousin, 2 cousin, brother and sister. We are the 4th generation for the not stranger. Because the lacquer is resin from the trees, resina from the trees. The name of the trees are Melanoria usidata. It's a Latin name. In Myanmar, we call it lacquer. So we apply the lacquer inside, outside, again and again. We have to apply the lacquer. The basement. First one bamboo, the second one a horse hair, the last one is a teak. So to treat the base material we use for the lacquerware. Okay, shape is bamboo. So small to big size, the round one is bamboo.
Very nice.
Any glue is just pressure. After lacquer, you can put the water. It's a horse hair. This is very fine and flexible.
What is
This is
horsehair?
soft bamboo, and weaving the horsehair.
Horsehair.
Yeah,
Ah, okay.
cherry, yeah.
It's flexible.
Wood. That is a teak wood. Normally the square shape, rectangular shape is a teak. Trays or bags, like cabinets, the checks or the better teak. Also the base material used for the lacquerware.
Which one has more value? Which material has more value?
Teak is expensive. But
My thoughts go back to this young lad here working 8 hours a day doing this kind of work, maybe toxic work. Often in our developed world, we think we have problems, but boy, oh boy, as they say, think again and be thankful for what we have. I also do yoga and meditation in a cross-legged position, and I can't imagine doing that on a hard board, as 15 minutes is about all I can stand on a padded surface. Thank you for viewing as we come to an end in our visit to Bagan. If you learned something, thumbs up would be appreciated. If not, come back next Friday because we will be in Mandalay. That sounds so nice. Mandalay. Meanwhile, back in Victoria, we had a very exciting 4 weeks as a pair of house finches nested in our cedars on our balcony. And right here we have, well, some of the action of the mother feeding the fledgling. And for a split second, a hummingbird enters the scene.
We can't leave with all this happening now.
Oh, the baby's getting really frisky. Now the the mother took the baby inside.
Oh,
Can you believe that?
for talking to.
The mother took the baby inside.
Wow.
Wow. They're both inside now.
Wow. We can't leave now with all this action happening.
The mother's outside now. Popping back. Oh, now they're both there. The baby's flying. The baby's flying, yeah. The baby's flying. The baby's flying. Look at that. It's fluttering like crazy. Oh, and the mother's feeding it.
Oh, goody. So that's the reward for trying to fly.
Oh, look at that. The mother's feeding it like crazy. Wow. Yeah.
That's the reward.
2 days later, the nest was empty. The mother, by the way, came back a week later for the first time to check out the nest. We were thrilled. Maybe there's a round 2 coming up.